Hey everybody, it's Gail with Life Begins After 50 coming to you from my unfinished loft of this little cozy cottage. I'm going to kind of move this around here. There you go. Hopefully that's better exposure. Up in the mountains of the Northern Rockies, and today we are talking styling an unexpected color combination, which is navy and black. Who styles navy and black out there? I think styling an unexpected color combination, especially when the colors are versatile, are a great way to use what you have in your closet without spending more money. So if you stick to versatile pieces, a lot of times you can do this super easy and you'll be so glad with the results. So today we're talking pieces from Saint and Sophia, one of the casual elevated separates lines that I show you frequently. And I love their fashions. The fabrics are beautiful. The style and the fit is beautiful, and they're always cozy and perfect for every day. So today I'm wearing this navy scoop neck long sleeve tee, and it's navy. It's a dark navy, but it is definitely navy. I wish you could see how cozy and soft and feel the fabric on this tee. It is fitted, and if you carry your weight in your belly like me, you can always throw on a blazer to smooth it out a little bit, but it is a fitted long sleeve tee. I'm wearing it with the apartment pant in khaki. Both of these pieces come in other colors, by the way, in a full range of sizes, and I'll have my link in the copy of the video so that you can pop right onto the website. So the apartment slacks I love. They've got the slash pockets in the front, stretch and elastic waist, which I love. And you can style them easy, dress them up, dress them down. Today, for the purpose of this video, I dress them up with a fabulous pump from Cozy Island Official. And this Eternal Pace pump also comes in several color combinations. It's also a two-tone, but it is black. And I will show you this shoe. This is a stiletto heel pump with tons of texture, and I love the pointy toe. You see it? You would think that with this heel, these shoes wouldn't be comfy. Well, they are. I've shown you Cozy Island frequently, and really, they are so super cozy. The heels often come in small, mid, and high. I like the high. You know why? Because they're comfy, and I can dress up casual outfits like the one that I'm wearing. So I want you to take a peek at the navy and the black. Isn't it fabulous, right? Why do we have to always go with the notion that our top has to match our shoes or our pant has to match our shoes? It all blends nicely, particularly when you separate it with a contrasting color like these khaki apartment pants. So I have brought in texture on this shoe. Isn't it fun? It was marketed originally as a holiday shoe, but doesn't have to be. It's a great winter shoe. It's a great black pump, especially with the two-tone heel, which I really love two-tone. I think it's lots of fun. I'm pairing my real delicate, simple silver jewelry with the heel. A little bit of glitter on my lippy. That's all the makeup I have on today. But I want you to take note of the navy with the black, because for a traditional, today I'm wearing no pattern. It's just solids. And I feel like the navy with the black gives you a modern slant to a classic, timeless look when you mix the pieces with other neutrals like this khaki apartment pants. So what do you guys think? Rather than running out and buying navy pumps, which I don't want to do right now, I'm saving my fashion dollars for the next season. Or a lot of people might run out and buy a black scoop neck long sleeve top to go with the shoe. But matchy, I used to be more like that. Now when things blend, and particularly, like I said, if you separate them with a contrasting color, which the khaki lends itself toward the winter season as well, which I really like. And it all ties together really, really super fun, easy, and less expensive, right? That's what it's all about. So I can save you 10% on any of the Cozy Island footwear. They have all kinds of boots and shoes and flats and heels, reasonably priced, trendy, but reasonably priced in all kinds of colors and styles, and truly they really are comfy. One of my favorite footwear brands for comfortable, trendy shoes. And I'll list my discount code of 10% for the Cozy Island. The Saint and Sophia, I show you all the time. I'll give you the link so that you can pop right on. Always check the sale area for Saint and Sophia and really any of your favorite collections, because you can often find these particular styles like the top and the slacks in the sale area in perhaps a different color, but for several dollars less. So that's a great fashion tip that I have learned throughout the years. And I will really love it if you could hit the subscribe button. We hit 1,000 subscribers, yay! And this is a new journey for my husband and I. The channel is all about living life to its fullest in the second half of our lives, focusing on fashion products and things that make our lives happier, more joyous, healthier, more natural, while we still can enjoy our health and living outdoors and enjoying the outdoors, which is why we moved to this little cottage from the desert. We're going to be embarking on an addition to this little cottage very soon, so you're going to be seeing snippets of it, and I'll be incorporating it into the videos. But first and foremost, I am still all about fashion, but you might see more practical items from me that are less like this and more like this, although I do love to combine the casual and the dressy. So stick around, hit that bell, subscribe, and follow me on my journey, because I work really hard to get negotiated discounts year-round for everybody, not just on special sale days. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back real soon on the next video.